defensive driving techniques, the dangers of distracted driving. Next, many high schools offer driver's education courses as part of their curriculum, and students may be required to complete these courses in order to obtain their license. So some states still do driver's education at the high school level, community college. If you can, get enrolled in a driver's education program. You'll learn more. Next, in addition to high school programs, I'm 18 and held my permit about 1 month. Do I have to wait for the road test? No. If you've held it for 30 days and you feel comfortable parallel parking, merging an expressway, hey, I'm into over 2K. I love you guys. Let's keep it going. Let's hit 3K. So if you've had it for 30 days and you feel comfortable parking, merging, left turns, right turns, lane changing, 3-point turnarounds, then go take that road test. If you feel you need more practice, then practice some more. You want to make sure you are comfortable and confident. That is so important, that you're comfortable and confident. Keep going, guys. The only thing is that I'm bad at parking. Then you have to practice your parking. Practice in front of your house. Go to an empty parking lot. Go to a downtown area where there's room so you can practice your maneuverability skills. I got my license. Driving in a big city is terrifying. It is. Gradual exposure. I love these questions. My goal is to get to 3K. You really are out there saving lives. Yes, because I really find value in teaching driver's education. I'm a firm believer. I had great teachers, great instructors. I'm a car enthusiast. I love cars. Thank you for the rose. Let's keep going. Many high schools offer a driver's education program as a part of their curriculum, and students may be required to complete these courses to obtain their license. We had a student who was saying, hey, I'm over 18. Typically, some driver's education programs offer advanced courses for experienced drivers, such as defensive driving. I just needed my license to get boxing class. I understand. Get that license. When you're ready, go take that road test. I have some content on that. State driver education requirements vary from state to state and country to country. And with different jurisdictions, they have different requirements and standards. Texas is different than Nebraska. Michigan is different than Oklahoma. Oklahoma is different than Kansas. The biggest issue is remembering a good distance. Once you drive more,